Today we're going to talk about ordering decimals. Now, this is a topic which causes quite a lot of confusion, but I find using the units table it becomes a lot clearer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write my decimals 0.65, 0.4 and 0.327, which I want to order in the end from smallest to largest. I'm going to write these decimal numbers into my units table. So 0.65, it has 0 ones. I must never forget my decimal point. I have 6 tenths and I have 5 hundredths. I've written 0.65 in my units table. I have 0 ones, 6 tenths and 5 hundredths. Now I'm going to write 0.4. I have 0 ones and I have 4 tenths. And finally 0.327. I have 7 thousandths. Now, a lot of people get confused on this topic and they think just because there are 3 numbers behind the decimal place here that 0.327 must be the largest number, and that's not the case. The way we decide which number is the largest is by looking at the largest non-zero value in a non-zero column. So we'll notice that our ones column in this case has got zeros in it. So that doesn't actually tell us anything. But our tenths column doesn't have zeros in it, so we're able to compare size. And we can see that the largest number in my tenths column here, is this 6. And that tells me that 0.65 is the largest of the 3 numbers. Now, it just so happens that all these numbers are different, and so I can tell that 0.4 is the middle number, and the smallest number of the lot, despite having the most decimal places, is 0.327. So if I'm writing them from smallest to largest, I should write them 0.327, 0.4 and 0.65. I don't look at the number of digits after the decimal place, I look at the value of the first non-zero column in my units table. In this case, that turns out to be the tenths column. So if you're ever struggling to order decimals, write out tenths column, put your 3 or 4 decimal numbers into that tenths column, and then check the first non-zero column. Hope that helps. Good luck.